Did you know that Rachel lost her dream job because of something she couldn't control? Rachel had ADHD. During her biggest interview ever, she kept touching her hair. Every few seconds, her hand would move up to smooth it down or twist a strand. She didn't even know she was doing it. Her brain needed this movement to stay calm and focused. It's called stimming. For people with ADHD, these small movements help their nervous system work better. The more nervous Rachel got, the more she touched her hair. But the person interviewing her didn't understand. They thought Rachel was being vain. They thought she cared more about how she looked than the job. They saw her as unprofessional and not serious. Rachel gave perfect answers to every question. She was the best person for the job, but her unconscious hair touching made her look bad to someone who didn't understand ADHD. She realized too late what happened. Her brain's way of helping her focus had been seen as a character flaw. This happens to many people with ADHD in work settings.